Hey everyone! Want real ways to make money online in 2025? Here's the fastest breakdown. 1. Freelancing. Offer skills like design, writing, editing, and use AI tools to work smarter and earn more. 2. Content creation. Turn your knowledge into videos, guides, or digital products that earn even while you sleep. 3. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products you trust and get paid when people buy through your links. 4. Remote work. Many companies now hire fully online, perfect for flexible, legit income. 5. AI income. Create content, visuals, and videos using AI. It's one of the fastest growing online side hustles. 6. E-commerce. Sell custom products or designs without needing to store any inventory. 7. Micro-income and investing. Start small with simple online tasks or beginner-friendly investing. Pick one path, stay consistent, and you'll see real results. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick online income tips.